Hey French lovers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a Dollar Tree haul challenge, 5 for 5 or more. So, this is a haul where basically I'll be talking about household items, laundry, and cleaning supplies. So this is the Gain Aroma Boost Original. It does 6 loads. Basically, it smells really, really good. I'm not gonna open it right now because it is liquid. Um, so like when you go do your laundry, or if you're fortunate you have a washing machine and dryer at home, or you go to the washing machine outside and do your laundry. But this is really good. I love Gain. Gain smells good. Next up, we have this in-wash fragrance booster, and basically you put this in when you're drying, when like basically like the last rinse you put it in, but I don't use this for that. Like basically like when I clean the bathroom, I put this in the toilet bowl and it makes the bathroom smell so good. They have a pink one, but I don't like the way it smells, and so I usually rebuy these. This is like maybe my third time purchasing this. It's really good. Next up, we have Suave. This I actually do use for my clothes because it smells good. 45 days of freshness, more softening ingredients, and it's 13 small loads. This smells so good. It makes your clothes smell so good and it makes them so soft. I recommend. This is really one of my favorite ones. My hubby put me onto this one, so yeah. And this is the 15.2 fluid ounces. It's small, but it's worth it. The really big one is like $13 to $15, and so if you're on a budget and you still want your clothes to smell good, just go to Dollar Tree and get you some Suavitel. Next up, we have Fabuloso. I like using Fabuloso to clean the bathroom. I usually go for like a lemon scent. So this is the refreshing lemon multi-purpose cleaner, long lasting freshness, and they come in different varieties, but I just love lemon. When I'm cleaning, it smells good and I know it's clean. I usually put a little bit of this and some bleach to mop the bathroom floors and the floors and stuff. So this is pretty good. Next up, we have dish soaps. This is the Ajax. This is the easily dissolve stuck on grease Ajax Ultra vinegar plus lime. So like I told you, I love lemon scents basically to wash the dishes, but sometimes I use this for the bathroom to wash your hands and stuff like that. I just like how thick and like it's thick, and so like when you're washing your hands it lathers, and you wash your hands for 20 seconds because of this COVID situation that we're in, and so you just have to make sure that you're extra clean and do your diligence to stay away from the virus. Next up, we have this one right here, and this is the Ajax Ultra Triple Action. This is in orange. I love this, and they're good. So like I said, if you're on a tight budget and you need to make things happen for you and your family, you can go to Dollar Tree. Everything is $1. I do believe down south they are changing the prices to $1.50, basically like for things like the bigger soaps and stuff like that to do the laundry. But yeah, Dollar Tree is a great place to spend your hard-earned money because you know it's gonna stretch it out and get everything you need for $1. So I hope you guys enjoy these videos, the 5 for 5 challenge. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, guys. Bye. Mwah.